Here this is the diagram for Schmitt trigger. Here we are giving input to the inverting terminal, and feedback can be applied from positive terminal, means non-inverting terminal. Here the main point is that here virtual ground concept is not applicable for the circuit. Why? Because here the feedback is connected from positive terminal. If we are giving feedback from negative terminal, at that case V1 is equals to V2, otherwise V1 is not equals to V2. Here V2 is equals to what? V in. Here the voltage is V1, at this point V1, at this point is also V1. So apply here voltage divider rule. At that case V1 is equals to what? Entering voltage V0 into R1 by total voltage R1 plus R2. Here consider R2 by R1 plus R1 by R1 plus R2 is equals to beta. It is known as feedback factor. So here V1 is equals to what? Beta into V0. Here we are giving two inputs V1 and V2. So here depends on these two differences, the output will be generated. Here if we are giving V1 is more, at that case output is plus Vsat. If we are giving V2 is more, at that case the output will be minus Vsat. So initially I can consider V1 is more than V2. At that case output is plus Vsat. If you want to output switches from plus Vsat to minus Vsat, what will happen? Plus Vsat to minus Vsat change అవ్వాలి అంటే when V difference is less than 0, means here V1 is less than V2. V2 voltage is more. If you are applying V2 voltage is more, at that case output will be minus Vsat. So here when V difference is less than 0, V1 is less than 0, V1 is what? Beta into Vsat is less than Vin. If you are applying these conditions, the output will be changes from plus Vsat to minus Vsat. Here if you change minus Vsat to plus Vsat, then what happens? V difference is greater than 0, V1 is greater than V2, and V1 is what here? V0 into beta. So V0 is what here? Minus beta into Vsat equals to V1. So here if Vin is greater than Vsat, the output will be changes from plus Vsat to minus Vsat. If Vin is less than minus beta into Vsat, at that case output will be changes from minus Vsat to plus Vsat. So here initially this is the input for the Schmitt trigger. So here plus Vsat and minus Vsat. Plus Vsat can be considered as upper trigger point and minus Vsat can be considered as lower trigger point. Up to this point Vsat is more than compared to Vin, means V1 is more. At that case output will be constant up to that point. Here the condition is Vin is more than compared to Vin. At that case output is what? Plus Vsat. The output will be changes from plus Vsat to minus Vsat, means up to this point here it will be changes from plus Vsat to minus Vsat. After this point Vin is less than minus beta into Vsat. Vin is less than minus beta into Vsat. At that point output will be changes from minus Vsat to plus Vsat. From that we can say that sine waveform can be converted into square waveform. So here this is known as upper trigger point, this is known as lower trigger point.